Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Asana workflow for branding project timelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Create New Project button. Choose Blank Project to start from scratch. Name your project Branding Project Timeline. Select the list view for a straightforward layout. Now, create sections to organize your tasks. Label the first section as Research and Planning. Add tasks under this section, such as Market Research, Define Brand Objectives, and Create Mood Board. Next, create a section titled Design Phase. Add tasks like Logo Design, Color Palette Selection, and Font Selection. Move on to the Development Phase section. Include tasks such as Website Design, Social Media Assets, and Brand Guidelines. Create another section for Review and Feedback. Add tasks like Team Review, Client Feedback, and Final Revisions. Once all tasks are added, assign responsible team members to each task. Set deadlines for each task to ensure timely completion. Utilize Asana's priority feature to mark critical tasks. Enable task dependencies for any tasks that rely on the completion of others. Add any necessary attachments or links to each task for quick reference. Use the comments section on each task for ongoing discussions and updates. Regularly check the project timeline to monitor progress and adjust deadlines as needed. Consider setting up recurring meetings to keep the team aligned and engaged. Finally, practice utilizing Asana's reporting features to track project status and efficiency. With these steps, your branding project timeline will be set up effectively in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.